Hello guys, it's been 2 weeks off. I haven't seen none of you. How have you all been? Pitbikesonic here, and we're here today. I'm vlogging for the first time an Ellough Park bike night. As you can see, we got quite a good turnout tonight, so really pleased. We've got some Ovalis, we've got some two-strokes, got some CRFs, and we've got some pit bikes as well, so really good turnout. Today's video, I'm going to try and beat the lap record at Ellough. I haven't actually seen what track layout we're using yet. If it's the championship track, then I'm obviously not going to do it, but I was hoping it was the training track, but I'll see. So yeah, Ellough Park tonight. For one night only, guys, I'm allowed my GoPro on my bike at Ellough Park. Obviously I'm allowed it on at race meetings, but I'm at Ellough. Oh look, we got muck off. We'll talk about that in a bit. Thank you, Kai. But yeah, we've actually got the GoPro. I'm allowed to use it tonight for one night only, so we're going to have it on the bike. But yeah, you can't use GoPros at Ellough, but Simon has let me tonight to help advertise the bike nights, so yeah, we'll go from there. Let's get this vlog started. So KHR Motorcycles, Kai, who sponsors me, is now a muck-off dealer. I am a big sucker for muck-off. I absolutely love muck-off. I wish they would sponsor me personally, but hey-ho, you have to be quite a really big deal to be sponsored by muck-off. I'm only a little big deal, so yeah, we've got some dry chain lube and some speed polish. So massive thank you to Kai at KHR Motorcycles. Now we are getting muck-off in. Lovely. Let's put some on. Hello boys and girls, it's nice to have you back with me. I haven't done a GoPro voice camera since Spain, so it's good to talk to you. Like I said, this is a one night only thing, a one night only thing with Ellough to help promote the bike nights. So we're going to go out today. I'm aiming to beat my PB around here. You can see we've got the lap timer on here. To beat my PB around here, which I think is a 48.4. I should have checked it out really. I don't know what sort of lap time I'm trying to beat. But we're going to go try beta. I did a 49.8 in the first one, so see what we can do. There's quite a lot of people here tonight, which is good to see for bike night. Make sure to get yourself down here, guys. It's 40 quid for 4 o'clock till half 4 till 8 o'clock, second Wednesday of every month. So yeah, make sure to get yourself down here and ride round a championship approved track. Fab come here, B&B have come round here previously. So yeah, make sure to get yourself down. Let's do some laps. So this track we're using is the training track, shall I say. Championship, you'll be used to going down to that corner here. We use this very bumpy corner here. And we also, coming out of this corner, unlike when you're here on championship days, don't have tyres coming out of here. Right, I might go silent for a bit now because I'm going to concentrate. Right, sorry I look a bit of a tomato, it's fucking hot today, I tell ya. But this is the junior class going round now, so they split the classes here. If you're under the age of, I think it's 16, you go out in the juniors. Like I said, that's mini motos, pit bikes, whatever you got, and these are the kids going round now. Thankfully, a lot of them watch the channel, so a big up to everyone who's here at Ellough who watches the channel. Massive thank you. Right, out we go again, people. Wendy's going to go get some footage out on track. We're exactly a second off that PB. I've got some really bad news, guys, to tell you. I'll tell you after this session. It's not good at all, to be honest with you. It's a bit like, imagine a girlfriend dumping you. It's like that sort of bad news. Maybe even worse than that. A girlfriend dumping you for your best mate. It's not good, guys. I'll tell you after this session. But anyway, let's go enjoy this one. Let's go have some fun, and then I'll tell you the horrific news that I've got for all of you. I like your videos. Ah, thank you very much, mate. Right, boys and girls, so this is my young friend Alfie. He's new to pit biking. I'm helping him out a little bit. Don't be fooled by the levers, he is not Valentino Rossi. He's going to be doing, hopefully, Bempsey Team Green Kawasaki's next year, so I will be his crew chief next season if all goes well. We're just helping him out a bit now. In this session we went a little bit quicker then, we're down to a 49.2. I can see his catch tray is coming off, so I'm going to try and get in front of him. Trying to warn him. This guy in front says he watches my videos. First time I've seen him on bike night here at Ellough, so thank you whoever you are for watching the channel. He's riding very well. He needs to get himself to a fab meeting. He's definitely got some skills. I didn't want to get too close because your cat trays nearly fell off. Let it cool down first before you start fixing it though.
I can count. Yeah, but is it going to make it worse or better?
Right, so the devastating news. Wendy hasn't left me, don't worry. The Spain trip, you might have seen a couple of weeks ago online I put that we've lost the Finistrat track, which was a massive loss already because we were the only bikes who were ever allowed to go there, so to lose it was massive. But the Spain trip is dead. It is completely dead. Kurt messaged me a couple of days ago and basically said I'm retiring now, mostly because Finistrat's gone. You can go to, there's loads of tracks in that area, but you can go to them anytime you like, so yeah, it killed it really. So yeah, unfortunately the Benidorm trip is over, so all those amazing vlogs you saw me do over the years, yeah, no more guys. So hopefully we will be doing some sort of Spain riding soon. Rob and Roger who run Fab might be starting like a winter Spain series up. It's kind of in planning at the moment, so we should still be doing some riding in Spain, but as it is for the finished Strat Benidorm trip, it's all over. And that's an exclusive, guys, because I haven't told anyone else apart from like my local, like my WhatsApp group and Facebook pit bike group. So yeah, it's over. So devastated, really. Like I said, it is like a girlfriend leaving you, but hey ho. Right, that's all that bad news over. Let's go carry on a lovely track evening here at Ellough Park. Yeah, well done, boys. We haven't beaten it, but we've matched it. One more attempt, come on! Come on, yeah boy! And that felt fucking messy as well. Like when you're going in and out on your misses and you come on the out bit. Woo! We done it! Lap record, unofficial lap record round the Ellough Park training track, shall we say. My quickest was a 48.4 and we just done it. We've done it, boys and girls. We got a 48, if you can see it, 3.8. So, lovely job. Lovely job. That's what I came here for today. If anyone wants to come try and beat it, come give it a go. We will have the Pitbikesonic hot laps going eventually. The bike's been a bit of a pain recently. We were going to use it tonight, but yeah, didn't get a chance. So, yes, we've done it. New PB, even though it is by that much. Right, so that is the end of the vlog for Ellough Park bike nights. Hope you enjoyed it, guys. Just a quick vlog to show you what it's like at Ellough Park on a bike night, and hopefully we can get the numbers up. Numbers were really good tonight. I think we had probably about 25 of us, including the youngsters out there. But obviously as well, we beat the lap record round, or my PB, whatever you want to call it. If anyone's beaten a 48.3, get in contact with me, but I don't think anyone has around the Ellough Park training track. So the only place to celebrate is with a Mackie D's. Cheers guys for watching. Thank you to everyone who came up to me today at Ellough and said they watched the vlogs. I really appreciate it. Thank you to all my Patreons. We have gained a few new ones as well, and if you haven't already subscribed, guys, make sure to hit that subscribe button. I notice a lot of you watch these videos and you haven't hit that subscribe button, so please make sure you hit the subscribe button. It don't cost you anything and it means the world to me. Cheers guys for watching. It won't be long until the next vlog. Sunday, we're at Swaffham, angular karting. Haven't been there in years. Really look forward to it. See you guys there. Bye bye.